Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. BeautyBigBang have very kindly sent me 6 stamping plates to swatch and review. Some are just perfect for creating stunning summer manis. I will be breaking this down into 2 videos. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing BeautyBigBang XL-001, BeautyBigBang XL-002, BeautyBigBang XL-003. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below, along with my discount code for you to use as well. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper. I have 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. I'll be taking 2 swatches from each plate. I'll be starting with BeautyBigBang XL-001. For the first swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a sparkly green stamping polish. Now when I placed this down, one of the shells didn't completely transfer. This is not the plate. My room was a little on the warm side, but it's still a nice swatch. Sometimes you can get the little bits to add on, but it didn't work this time. For the next swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with a copper brown stamping polish. Now when I use BeautyBigBang stamping plates, because the images are longer, I like to add 2 small lines of polish instead of covering the whole image. This is just to save on polish and not to flood the image. This is a beautiful image, great for autumnal manis. Moving on to the next plate, BeautyBigBang XL-002. For the first swatch I'll be using a coral coloured nail tip along with a metallic burgundy stamping polish. With this image you could use it for some reverse stamping. Colouring in the ice creams would really make it look very, very cool. Great for a summer mani. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. For this image I will remove any excess that I pick up with my lint roller before placing it down onto the nail tip. But a brilliant image for a sea mani. You could also colour the dolphins in as well. Moving on to the next plate, BeautyBigBang XL-003. For the first swatch I'll be using a light coloured nail tip along with a metallic dark pink stamping polish. This is a new colour combination for me, but I absolutely love it. I recently did a mani using it and I thought I would share it with you. But this floral image is just a beautiful one which can be used for spring and summer manis. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a lavender purple stamping polish. With these butterflies, for the photo swatches I just took random swatches, and as you'll see here, just by turning the stamper around you can place the image anyhow, but you can also use the butterflies individually as well. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from these 3 BeautyBigBang stamping plates. BeautyBigBang XL-001 is just perfect for the summer months. There is 14 large images from the fruits to the flamingos, palm leaves and the shells. They are just some brilliant images. As always, I've just used my usual stamper which works brilliantly with BeautyBigBang stamping plates along with my clear jelly stamper stamping polishes. BeautyBigBang stamping plates are really nice stamping plates to use. The images are really nicely engraved which makes for really easy swatching. I know that I'll be using BeautyBigBang XL-001 for many more summer manis. I don't think there is an image I wouldn't use, which is great. Now as normal I've made a mani for each stamping plate. These are just some ideas on what you could create, but there is just so many more. All of these swatches have turned out great. I really like the palm leaves and the shells the most, so I'll definitely be using them sometime in the future. I did get quite a bit of inspiration from these swatches, and even though I think these stamping plates are quite a bit older, they are still really good ones, and I think that BeautyBigBang XL-001 would be a super popular stamping plate for the summer manis What a brilliant stamping plate. For the mani, I used a bright orange gel polish for the base, and I've used a lemony coloured stamping polish. I've used 2 different images to create this fruity mani, and I love how it's turned out. I was just going to use the lemon or orange slices, but I think the other image just breaks up the mani a little, but a bright fruity mani. BeautyBigBang XL-002 is another brilliant stamping plate for the summer manis. There is 7 large images at the top of the plate, along with 17 smaller images at the bottom of the stamping plate. I love plates like this that have a mix of sized images. They can create some really cool manis, which I just love to do. Some of the images, like the cocktails, ice cream, the dolphins, could be filled in with colour to really make them pop out of the mani. You could also use BeautyBigBang XL-001 and XL-002 together, and that would give you even more options for them summer manis. That's definitely something I want to have a look at. Now, these 3 are a part of a set of 5. The other 2 will be in my next video, but you can also purchase them individually as well, and they are extremely purse friendly. All of these swatches have turned out great. The only one I'm a little bit iffy on is the feet print, and I think that's down actually to the stamping polish. Now, I did say that I like to use plates which have a mixed sized images across it, but I didn't do that for this mani. There was just 2 images that I just wanted to use. So I know that I'll be back when I have some free time, as there is many images I want to use, but another brilliant stamping plate, BeautyBigBang XL-002, is great for them summer manis. For the mani, I used 2 gel polishes to create this sparkly green teal base colour, and I've stamped in a sparkly green stamping polish. I actually used that one in the video section for this video. I've just used, as I said, 2 images to create this mani, mermaids and waves, and I really like how it's turned out. I couldn't quite fit the whole of the mermaid image onto the nails, but it's still very, very pretty. BeautyBigBang XL-003 is full of beautiful floral and butterfly images, of which there is 12 large images across the plate, along with the butterfly and the tree image. Now, with that image, I have split it into a few swatches. The tree is on its own, and then I've taken 2 different swatches from the butterflies, and I've just placed them differently onto the pop sticks. The only image that I'm not really happy with the swatch is the rose on the far left bottom. I'm not a fan of them images, as I can never get them to look right, but all of the other images look great and I'm really happy with them. I adore floral stamping plates like BeautyBigBang XL-003, and it will work alongside any other floral stamping plate from BeautyBigBang. BeautyBigBang XL-003 was slightly more engraved, so I did use a little bit more polish than I would normally, but some really interesting images to use. Now, for the mani, when I did it, it was a super hot day and I was fighting against the heat with the stamping polishes. So for me, the stamping isn't great, but that just means I can create it again and a lot more. I've really enjoyed working with these first 3 stamping plates. As I said earlier, my next video will be the next 3, which are just amazing, so stay tuned for them. But these 3 stamping plates, I'm very glad they are now in my collection. So for the mani, I've used a light green gel polish for the base, and I've used a dark green stamping polish. As I said, for me, the stamping isn't great on some of them, but I've just used the same image for each nail. However, when stamping down, I have turned the stamper around in a different direction for each nail, so each nail is different. And even though the stamping is a little bit on the iffy side for me, it's still a nice mani. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these BeautyBigBang stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!